khana jingieit jong ka jingelu samla joki artli ki seng san parthai hapdeng ka National People's Party bat ka People's Democratic Front kalas dang haki san snem gi bala letno haswa ban penyalong no kawei bat ka ne ka dei ka parsi ya ka bala penpau daw menteri rang ba ka jella o konrad ki sangma mentak sngi kanru tere jemmang arjar arpulai ka badai ka sngi jong ka jingwan ban penyaso no jong ka PDF syaka party NPP ya kaniu konrad ki sangma ulo penpau ka jingyalang ban priang buram yo MLA ka maukon ro uba bantai dorling do bat uba Gavin Emmelim ki badai ki MLA ka PDF ki bala wan ban penyaso no syaka NPP haringkat bat ki nong elam ka party bat ki nong kersan ki teki artli ki constituency haga jingsak hilang ki menteri sarkar ki MLA ka party kumju ru ki het nong elam ka party haba krana kani ka jingalang u konrad ula penpau ka ei ka balaja ka dei ka jingalam bastat jong blai bat kini ki baro ki wanja namar baki don ki daw bat ula pentip bola da ban tip ha ya ka rukom trekam jong kini ki arngot ki MLA ka PDF nadu usnam arjar khat pra bat da ka jingwan ban penyaso saka NPP u konrad ula pentikna ban na ka penta ka mau kon ro un pej kerpang ha ka bay dei bat ka kamrap kamriang bat na ka penta ka sora un penlet jingmot kerpang hakikam jungok kai parthai.
But let me tell you, the love story started long time back. For the last 5 years, we have been romancing, I should say. And that's simply because we get along. We see things from the same perspective. We have the same goals and visions and ideas for our people and our state. There were times when we sat down to discuss few things for a few minutes, but we found ourselves engrossed in discussion about the state, the politics, where we are and where we should be, the issues concerning the state, and the discussions went on and on and on before we realized that hours had passed. And that's the kind of relationship I have shared with both Ba Gavin and Ba Bantedor and the other leaders of the PDF. And it was during the courses of those discussions that I used to jokingly tell them, why are we in two different parties? When we see everything together, when we realize that we work so well and our ideas are the same, there is no reason why we should be in different parties. But for whatever political situations, we were not able to come together. But as I said, I believe that God has a plan for us. It is He who has led us to this moment. It is He who has made sure that the different situations we faced turned out in those manners that today, in spite of all the different challenges and different circumstances we faced, what should have happened a long time back is finally happening today. So therefore, I take this opportunity to welcome all our leaders and all the supporters, and very importantly, the family members of all the senior leaders of the PDF into the family of the National People's Party. Today, the National People's Party is one of the 6 national parties in the country. There are only 6 national parties. And the beauty of the National People's Party is it is the only party from the Northeast made by the states of the Northeast to be a nationally recognized party. And most probably in the history of the country, I don't think there is any other political party from the Northeast that has ever held this position of being a nationally recognized party. And a party that believes in the indigenous people of the region. A party that believes in bringing the Northeast together. A party that believes that we must put our voice and give the platform for the people of the region to be able to take up issues at the national level, because nobody at the national level cares too much about the Northeast. Until unless we combine, we come together and work together, we will never be heard. And this is the basic principle on which today the National People's Party is working. And I'm happy to tell you that we are finally seeing results. Last 2 days have been very difficult for our people who are studying in Manipur. Different governments have been struggling to evacuate students from the state of Manipur. We had chartered a plane, but due to different circumstances, we did not get the clearance, and other states also did not get the clearance to operate chartered flight. Hence, we had to use the commercial flights being brought in by Government of India, and huge challenges we faced. Yesterday, our team, in fact, was up till 3 a.m. in the morning because that's when the children reached their homes. My team was coordinating till 3 a.m. in the morning. Again, got up at 5 in the morning and still working. Just before coming to this meeting, we were having a program and meeting in my house to review the situation. 40 students have come today. Another 40 will come tomorrow. And we are trying to work to make sure that we are able to bring back almost all of them by tomorrow. This is what the government is doing. But let me just share as a family that today we are lucky that the National People's Party has 7 MLAs in Manipur. We are lucky today that our organization is very strong in Manipur. Even from the government side, whatever government is doing, we are proud to tell you that the National People's Party today is able to help our students who are stuck in Manipur today. If it was any other political party, with due respect to them, who are from Meghalaya, they would not be able to provide the kind of support that this family of the National People's Party today is able to provide. And many, many more supports will be given in the coming days. I don't want to talk too much about it because those are slightly internal matters of the government also. But I want to share with you that this is the kind of support in the network that we get by being in a party which is at the national level, but a party having national level yet having a regional outlook and taking up issues of the regional issues that we have. And hence, this is what the National People's Party is today. And let me tell you, I am excited that today, with the joining and the merging of the members of the PDF, the senior leaders and the MLAs coming in, you will only make us stronger. I am so excited to work with you because I see the capacity that you have. I see what you can do, not just for your constituency, but what you can do for the state. Not just for the state, but what you could do for the region and for the country. And we would like the National People's Party to provide you that platform to be able to come out and be able to give all your expertise and all your work towards the development of the people. Many of the leaders are joining us. We are working out on how different positions and posts can be given to our senior leaders coming in from different levels of the PDF who are joining us, so that you are able to contribute. Each leader is able to contribute constructively, not just to the party, but even to the democratic governance process that we're having in. We're examining all those aspects because I strongly feel that the leaders who are present out here on the stage and off the stage, you have huge capacity to contribute to governance as well as to the state and the party as a whole.